A few days ago, someone left a comment that felt like a spark. They wrote, "I can't wait to understand this further and the discovery that can lead to time travel. This could redefine our entire understanding of time itself, that all coexists together with the past and the future." That curiosity, that hunger to understand something as mysterious as time, is where every great scientific journey begins. But here's the important thing. Today, we're not venturing into the world of fantasy time machines or magical portals. We're stepping into something far more fascinating because it's real. We're stepping into the physics of time itself, the actual structure of the universe that shapes our every moment. We'll explore what time truly is, beyond clocks and calendars. We'll see how space and time are woven together into a single fabric that bends, stretches, and records everything that has ever happened. And then we'll dive into the most surprising part, how artificial intelligence is becoming a powerful tool for exploring the past, not by traveling through time, but by reconstructing it, not by breaking the laws of physics, but by using them. Piece by piece, AI is helping scientists read the universe's hidden memories, from the birth of galaxies to forgotten chapters of Earth's history. So today, let's take a journey into the real nature of time, space-time, and the astonishing ways AI is helping us uncover what truly exists. At its simplest, time is the measurement of change. It is not a thing floating in space. It is the rhythm in which events occur, from the sunrise marking a new day, to the growth of a tree, or the beat of your heart. Time is a way we observe change. Imagine sand slipping through your fingers. That tiny flow of grains is a measure of passing moments. Now imagine the same sand not on Earth, but scattered across the cosmos. Each grain a planet, a star, galaxy. Time is the story told by these changes, the continuous recording of the universe itself. Even shadows on a sundial teach us about time. They are not the hours themselves, but the passage of sunlight interacting with objects. Time is a universal storyteller, quietly mapping change in every corner of reality. Einstein taught us that space and time are inseparable, forming a fabric called spacetime. Imagine a giant cosmic trampoline. Stars, planets, and galaxies bend this fabric with their weight. Light, matter, and even time itself follow the curves in this fabric. Instead of thinking of time as a straight line, picture a river with currents and eddies, sometimes smooth, sometimes turbulent, but always flowing, shaped by the landscape it traverses. This is space-time, a dynamic arena where the universe plays out its story. AI researchers are now able to simulate these complex interactions, showing us how massive objects distort spacetime, how light curves, and how past events leave subtle imprints that can be mapped with extraordinary precision. Why do we often talk about the past rather than the future when exploring time scientifically? Because the past is recorded in spacetime itself. Light from distant stars reaching our eyes shows us events that happened millions of years ago. Memories, fossils, and historical data are information already encoded in reality. The future, on the other hand, is not fixed. It is probabilistic, shaped by countless variables that we cannot fully know. Scientists and AI systems can predict patterns and simulate possibilities, but the future is inherently uncertain. Understanding the past is like reading a cosmic diary. Every particle, every photon carries a story. AI helps us reconstruct these stories, tracing cause and effect relationships across the vast canvas of space-time. While we cannot travel to the future or magically move into the past, AI allows us to explore the past scientifically. Every particle, photon, and cosmic signal carries information about what happened. AI processes this information at scales far beyond human capability. By applying the laws of physics, AI reconstructs ancient cosmic events, maps planetary evolution, and simulates how galaxies formed. On Earth, AI analyzes historical climate patterns, archaeological records, and biological evolution, giving us a real, data-driven window into history. This is time travel for knowledge, grounded in reality. We are not bending time, we are decoding it, reading the universe's own record of its past. Each reconstructed event brings us closer to understanding how our universe, our planet, and our own history unfolded. So, to conclude, time is not just a line quietly ticking across a clock face. It is a living structure of the universe, stretching, bending, recording, and shaping everything that has ever existed. It flows with us, around us, and sometimes even because of us. What we call the past isn't gone. It lives as patterns in spacetime, as light still traveling across the cosmos, as fossils buried beneath our feet, as signals carved into the universe itself. The future, on the other hand, is not written. It sits as a landscape of possibilities, branching and shifting with every choice, every action, every motion of matter. AI is becoming our new lens into this grand cosmic diary, not by breaking physics, not by leaping through time, but by reading the clues the universe has already left behind. With enough data, enough computing power, and enough intelligence, AI can rewind simulations, rebuild forgotten chapters of Earth and space, and reveal stories no human mind could ever piece together alone. And when we understand the past, truly understand it, we gain clarity about who we are now and where we might be heading. We prepare ourselves not with fear, but with curiosity, not with guesses, but with knowledge. The deeper we look, the more the universe opens up to us. Time has always been the ultimate storyteller, and today, AI is finally helping us read its pages with clearer eyes, steadier hands, and a sense of wonder that grows with every discovery.